Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to talk about installing a suspension seat on your zero-turn mower, John Deere. So we bought this suspension seat from Evergrades Equipment Group here in Naples, Florida, and who ordered it from John Deere, and they're about $900 or so. This is the older style. They now have a newer style with different colors, but they're around $900 or so, and they're very comfortable. It's night and day from a regular seat. You can adjust it to your weight. If you can look at this right here, you can dial it right into whatever weight you are, and it's going to go up and down. These here will go up and down. You can also buy padded armrest for this, and this is the only seat you can add the padded armrest. And come around the back here, you'll see this little carrying net, which we usually put a little toe strap in there in case we get stuck in the mud in a ditch or something. But we'll show you how easy this is to go on. So here's our seat we have on here now. This is a 2019 and it's a 915E, but these seats will fit any of your 9 series. We've got them on our 920, 950, and we're going to put one on our tractor, and they're just really good. But this is the original seat. No frills there, and it does not bounce up and down, and it's pretty hard to ride on. Once you put on one of these suspension seats, it's like night and day. And if you're a commercial guy, once you have a suspension seat, you won't want to go back to this regular stock seat. Alright, first thing you're going to do is unplug this seat safety switch. It's right here. You're just going to wiggle pull, pop. That's going to come right out of there. The next thing you're going to do is take out these 4 bolts right here. So you got 4 13mm bolts right here. They're just going to pop right out. Okay, so after you remove those bolts, you just lift that seat right off the frame here, and it's going to come right off. Okay, so then I just went ahead and set that seat on this frame when it was down low, and then I easily raised it up and went ahead and started putting these nuts on, these four bolts. Okay, then just put them on. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and then you're all bolted up. Now you just got to put your safety switch in there, and there's a little receptacle right there for it. It's gonna plug right in and snap on, and there you go. That's your safety switch. Okay, next you're going to put on this backrest conversion kit. This is going to install on here. You can crank this and make that seat go backwards or forwards to wherever's comfortable for you. First thing you're going to do is get your 14mm socket and then pop that bolt out. Okay, then you're just going to take that plate off. After you do that, you're not going to need this bolt anymore. Alright, then once you get the plate off, you're going to reinstall it. There's a little hole down here. Okay, put that bolt in there, line it up just like this. Now they give you a bolt here. You got a metal washer, a spring washer, and a plastic washer, and they're going to go in this order right here, like this. Okay, and here's your knob, here's your bolts and washers. Put that right through there. Okay, so this little notch right here is where your rectangle bolt's going to go, and then you put the other one in there, and you just put her on. Alright, we're going to put this on, and it's supposed to be to 65 inch-pounds if you have a gauge. Okay, and this last thing is this little nut right here needs to go on the back side of this bolt right here to tighten that up. And this is a 7/16 inch. You're just going to tighten it up right here with a ratcheting wrench. Okay, to show you how that backrest works, just spin that knob there. You can put that back to whatever's comfortable for you driving along. So that's a nice thing about it. Okay, so the next thing you do is adjust your weight. You dial your weight in there. I'm about 150 or so. Yeah, about right there. And then it'll, look at that, it bounces up and down. So when you're riding along, you're bouncing up and down instead of your spine or your tailbone hitting every time, which is a problem that I was having, is that now you're springing up and down. So your tailbone does not take that beating, and your ride is a lot smoother. The other thing is you can cut a lot faster, because when you're going over whoop-de-doos and things are bobbing you up and down, you can go fast now. So it's going to actually make you more money because you're going to be mowing faster, and you're not going to be taking the beat because you got this shock absorber in this seat. The other thing you can do with these suspension seats, you can your armrest, you can put that wherever you want, and then you're going to tighten that down. Okay, so here's your little knob right here, which is under your armrest, and that's what you're going to turn to tighten it up to the position that you want. Okay, now here's your lever down here to go forwards and backwards. Okay, and you just lock it in there wherever you want it. Now also with this seat, you can put on some nice thick arm pads. They just go on with 2 bolts, and they're like $100 a set, a lot of money. But anyway, those are also nice because then your elbows don't take a racking all day long on this. But I'll do a different video on those arm pads. So we'll just show you a little 360 view one more time of this wonderful seat. Guarantee you, once you have one of these on your mowers, you won't want to go back to that stock seat. I mean, if you can't afford it, then you can't afford it, and you just wait till another day. But I've had this mower 5 years, and I just now putting one on there, and I have them on my other mowers, like I said. But they are definitely worth the money, and your spine and your tailbone will thank you, and you'll be able to go faster and cut grass faster because you won't be getting beat up. Okay, by the way, this part number on this is AU11927, and it's $892 plus tax. Now they have a new seat that's actually, instead of black, it's got the green in it, and it is a AUC19586, and that's the same but a little different coloring, the upgraded seat, and it's like $50 more money as well. So there you have it. That's how you install a suspension seat on a John Deere Z series mower, and they're just great seats, and you'll love it. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe, we'll have a lot more videos coming up.